The Clarke CROS3 Random Orbital Sander is compact and comfortable to use, and the random action will leave a silky smooth finish on all your sanding jobs. This compact sander has a 125mm circular base for accepting standard hook and loop sanding discs. The CROS3's powerful 450-watt 230-volt motor has a variable speed control, which vibrates the sander at between 7,000 and 14,000 RPM. Slower speeds are ideal for removing paint or when using coarser grades of sandpaper, with the higher speeds ideal for finish sanding. The on-off switch features a lock-on button to free you to use two-handed operation. The front handle facilitates better control when sanding and features simple tool-free adjustment. A dust filter bag is also included, which simply snaps onto the side of the sander. Supplied with a selection of sanding discs, the Random Action CROS3 sander will give you many years of great service.